Hello, darling. Look how clever you are. You're standing up. Wow, look at that. Oh my goodness. Whoops-a-daisy. Who's a clever boy? You gonna try again? You gonna try again? Oh, lots of strength. Get those feet underneath. It's hard work, isn't it? All this standing up business. Have a little rest. Oh, you can blow raspberries too. We had enough of that standing up stuff. You did it! Whoops-a-daisy! You did it! Yay! Whoops-a-daisy! I love you, darling.